Welcome back to HARBRO Freight, quality videos, lowest prices, and it is here. New deals, more saving. Actually, it's the same deals. The parking lot sale has been extended. Valid in store only while supplies last. Coupons expire Sunday. Let's look at it. If you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And let's jump right in. A reminder for everybody. So these are all in the super coupon format. We have, of course, the 40% off all socket sets, Icon Quinn, Pittsburgh, 35% off all torque wrenches, Icon Quinn in Pittsburgh, 40% off all drill bits, step drill bits, Hercules Bauer Warrior, 30% off all Badland winches and winch accessories, and then 35% off all elastic and rubber cords. Highlights: 3-ton professional floor jack, rapid pump Daytona, 110. $70 off. US General Alert 30-inch 5-door mechanics cart for $220. Not the lowest price it's been. It's been down to $190, but still a decent deal, $60 off. US General 34-inch by 23-inch 6-drawer full bank service cart for $500, $100 off. The 3-ton heavy-duty Daytona ratcheting jack stands for $30, 40% off. Great deal. They've gone down as low as $25, but $29 is pretty good. Then, of course, the Daytona 3-ton low-profile Super Duty floor jack, the jack of all jacks. If you need some Super Duty jacking power, this is the one, $240, $50 off. Great deal. Of course, the 3-ton low-profile Pittsburgh floor jack with rapid pump, $100, $80 off. Some compressors on sale, $200, $50 off for the McGraw 20-gallon 135 PSI. And then the Fortress 26-gallon 175 PSI ultra quiet oil-free vertical shop auto air compressor. We have the deals on batteries. The Bauer 20-volt 5 amp hour high capacity lithium ion battery bundle pack 2-pack, $80, $50 off. And the Hercules Alert 20-volt 5 amp hour extended performance lithium ion battery bundle 2-pack, $90, $45 off. And then just a reminder of some of the sockets that are on sale. Of course, the one and only 1/4-inch Icon Drive compact socket and bit set, $52, 52 pieces, $80, but 40% off. 40% off. You're gonna get down to the regular meme tool value, just over $40 after the discount, which makes this completely worth it. And then, of course, a smorgasbord of deals when it comes to the socket sets. The 3/4-inch Drive SAE Quinn ratchet deep impact socket set, the Pittsburgh 1-inch Drive jumbo sockets for $220. Again, these will all be 40% off. Of course, the Icon, both the 3/8-inch and the 1/4-inch socket sets at 40% off. Ultra nice Pittsburgh Pro 1/2-inch Drive super high torque Lugna impact socket sets. All these nice memories are coming back to me. The 3/8-inch Drive oil filter sockets. And then ones, this is very different. This is going to be a brand new deal for this extended parking lot sale. And it's the Pittsburgh 1/2-inch Drive SAE Impact Deep Socket Set, 13-piece. We hinted at this in the instant savings video, but it's already 12% off. So the new price will be $28 essentially, and you'll get 40% off of this. So you'll save $28 at 40% off. You're getting it for $16.80. $32 value, almost 50% off. I say almost 50% off. It says 52% off, which doesn't make sense. I think it's 48%. Maybe I did that wrong. Almost 50% off at 47, 48%. So great deal stacking that instant savings with this extended parking lot sale. And let's not forget about the torque wrenches, spoiled for choice. The Icon 1/2-inch Drive, 12 to 250 foot-pound professional flex head digital angle torque wrench. We got some Quinn 1/2-inch, 12 to 250 foot-pound digital angle torque wrench as well. And then the all popular Icon 1/2-inch Drive, 40 to 250 foot-pound professional split beam torque wrench. These will be 35% off. And then, of course, the bit sets. We didn't do too much of a deep dive into these last time, but we'll check a few out. We have the Bauer, a brand new tool. Cobalt fractional number and letter index drill bit set, 115 pieces for 140 bucks. Nice case. Great presentation. And at 140 bucks, you're getting it for $84, so saving almost 60 bucks, which is crazy. Then you have the Warrior 135 degree split point cobalt drill bit set, 29 piece, 75 bucks. Save 40% off. The Bauer Black Oxide Silver and Deming drill bit set, 8 piece for 60 bucks. Save $24 on that. The Hercules 3/16 to 1 1/8 inch number 4 cobalt step drill bit, 12 steps, and number 5 8 steps, 50 bucks. Save 20 bucks there. Get that for $30. And even these brand new Hercules 1/8 inch to 3/4 inch number 1 step drill bit, 13 steps, number 2, 6 steps, and 3, 10 steps, $42.99, saving over close to $17 there for about 25 bucks. And the options go on. And then, of course, the last but not the least, the 30% off all Badland winches and winch accessories, which accessories are always clutch. And then, of course, the premium Badland Apex 12,000 pound winch with synthetic rope and wireless remote for 600 bucks. 40% off of that would be 30% off. Could be $180 off of that. And then, of course, so on and so forth. So we're getting our parking lot sale. We're getting it extended. Who took advantage last time but didn't take advantage as much as you wanted? What are you going to get now? Are you going to get anything? Are you going to double up on anything? Anything you missed that you might pick up this weekend, let me know. Are you even excited about it? I'm excited about it. It gives us another chance to fan out about some sockets and some torque wrenches. And one thing you do need to look out for, didn't mention this last time, they do have the as-is areas in your local Harbor Freight. Check it for sockets. Check it for return sockets. Check it for return torque wrenches. The parking lot sale just happened last week. Those could be gold mine of areas. Check them out. Hopefully you can get some already lowered prices and get an extra 40, 35, or 30% off of those returned items. Anyways, good luck out there. Happy harbor freighting. Again, if you find this useful, please consider liking and or subscribing. And as soon as I have some more deals, I will send them your